Alright. I believe 86. SMC W52, or the Oak Ridge. Doesn't have the original blades because it didn't come with them. It's got blades to an old Moss WFMF and they're all warped to hell, but whatever, at least it's got cane blades. Still looks cool. It's got horrible bearing noise right out the box, horrible motor hum. I know, SMC piece of crap, but it's still cool looking, so it's in my bedroom. Not for long, but it's there. Hi. You know, get a shot of that bearing noise. Yes, it has been oiled as well. Before oiling, it was almost unbearable. Medium. Low. I think I got a pretty good low. Takes a second to slow down. That's about it. High. Bearing noise is much worse when it's on updraft. I don't know why. Also, wobble's worse on updraft. Medium. Low. And off. That's it.
Well, that's it.